The distribution of COVID-19 vaccine has been sluggish but will accelerate and is already being sped up by the use of artificial intelligence. I am Shantanu Udasi and this is Down the Rabbit Hole. The distribution of COVID-19 vaccine involves a lot of separate but related problems. One of them being demand forecasting. Forecasting the demand accurately of this vaccine becomes important because of the ultra low temperatures at which this is to be stored at. Plus, the cost of manufacturing is very high, so the government cannot let any of these doses go to waste. IBM's Watson Health Analytics software is helping US hospitals and state governments manage the limited supplies of vaccines available so far by using the zip code level data on demographics and health status in conjunction with the information of people's attitude towards the vaccine. All this to try to forecast demand and also ensure vaccines are distributed equitably. In the developing countries, the issue of supply chain management and demand forecasting is even more acute. MacroEyes, an AI company based in Seattle that analyzes data including satellite imagery and maps, the number of total mobile phone users in a certain area, social media posts, and official government data to try to predict how many people will show up for health care at one place. Each dataset on its own may be a marginal value, but by combining lot of data sets, MacroEyes is able to make accurate predictions. MacroEyes' system was able to improve forecasts for childhood vaccination demand in African countries by 96% and reduce wasted dosages to just 2.42 vials per 100 shipped. Now MacroEyes is hoping to help other governments around the world. Another area where the governments are turning their focus towards AI is adverse event surveillance, because those who are receiving the vaccine should be monitored for any side effects. While the clinical trials have already been carried out on thousands of people, a lot of side effects and safety issues might become apparent after this vaccine is distributed to millions. For that purpose, the British government has contracted with Genpact to deploy machine learning software that can identify potential side effects to a particular person, which indicates a probable cause for concern. The system Genpact takes in a plain text, automatically codifies it, and searches for patterns that could be indicative of an emergency safety issue, flagging this to the regulator for further investigation. Tiger Tyagarajan, Genpact's CEO, says the software has been trained on many different types of writing so that it can understand both the medical terminology a doctor might use in reporting symptoms as well as the more colloquial expressions of a member of the public might use. Another area which is not currently being dealt with but will require the assistance of artificial intelligence is analyzing the supply chains for any bottlenecks. Challenges for a lot of supply chain management softwares will be they were designed by keeping in mind that they were going to be used for a single organization. The distribution of COVID-19 vaccine includes a lot of other parties. On top of that, a lot of these parties may be competitors of each other, so they will be reluctant to share their data. Also, some parties cannot share their data owing to regulatory and security concerns. Jason Kelly, IBM's head of blockchain services, feels that the digital ledger system that underpins cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin can play a vital role in combating this problem. This kind of digital ledger could provide a trusted, secure and verifiable record of the chain of custody for every vial of vaccine that could be used by every organization involved in the process. A lot of technologists said that AI was not much of help during this pandemic, taking into consideration its impact on epidemiology mapping, policy making, and creating a vaccine for this pandemic was negligible. Some of them quipped that AI will be so sophisticated in the future that it will predict the next pandemic before it happens. Still, helping these vaccines to be distributed in a timely manner and safely, the technology may yet prove its worth. I am Shantanu Udasi and you are watching Down the Rabbit Hole on Analytics India magazine. Please do subscribe to our channel and like this video so that we keep making more videos like this.